Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I am from RPIIT College, Karnal. Today we are going to learn about stacks using linked list in C. We are using dev C++ for this to make a program. Before starting, what is stacks using linked list? Stack is a linear data structure which follows last in first out order of operations. This means that the last element added to the stack will be the first one to be removed. There are different ways we can implement the stack in data structures using C. Now, in this program, as we can start the program with hash include. These are the header flag files. Then we'll start with the in C, the stack that can be implemented using linked list can be represented by the pointers to the head of the linked list. As we know, each node in the linked list represents element of the stack. This type of linked list is a singly linked list, and in each node consists of the data field and the next element. So this is struct node where we are defining the type, which is int, data, or info, then structure, node, starling. This is the type of the data that can be defined according to the requirement. Then we are declaring it. Then we are making the functions, which is void push pop view. What is push? This operation is used to add, insert, or push the data into the stack. What is pop operation? Which is used for delete, remove, and pop data. View is to display the stack, which we are using in the linked list. Then here, let's start. This is the main function. Let's go to the first push where we are creating a new node using structure, where we are using the malloc function size of struct node. Then we are printing it, enter info, scanf, percentage %d, we are defining. We are addressing it, then and new node, we are taking the input from the user, then new node dash. This one is we are new node link is in the first node and first node equal to new node. So this is the void push operation. Then in the pop function, what we are doing here, we are deleting, where we can remove the topmost element of the stack. And as we know that the stack, we need to first remove the most recent inserted element. So check. We have to check if the stack is empty. If not, then store the top node in the temporary variable, which is save. Then update the header to the next node, and then we free the temporary node. So this is, we are calling in the main function here using the case switch case. Let's run this function for a while. Run this program, we'll execute it. Let's do first push. Push means we are adding the element in the stack. It means we have added the element. Let's add one more element. Let's see what is the result. For that, we have to see view, that is display. So we have added like two elements, which is 45 and 23. It is in the stack. Let's perform the pop. Pop means it is deleting the first element, which is 45. Now again, we'll see the view. That means we'll have only one element, which is 23. This is it for the video, for this program. If you like our channel, do like and subscribe.